Hello everyone. Welcome to Goidify. If your Reddit app won't open or keeps loading when you try to launch it, don't worry. This has happened to me many times. Let's fix it together. First, uninstall the Reddit app. Then restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears temporary issues that may stop apps from working properly. Now install Reddit again from the Play Store. Open the app and check if the problem is fixed. In most cases, this solution works. If the app still won't open your phone's settings. Tap Apps. Find and open Reddit. Or press and hold the Reddit app icon. Then tap App Info to open its settings directly. Tap Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and won't delete your account or personal data. Finally, open the Play Store and check if a Reddit update is available. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve the app's stability. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Goidify for more helpful tutorials.